Hey everybody, Sean here from Shootie School. Check out ShootieSchool.com for complete courses and hundreds of free videos, just like this one. This is a video for PC users. And when you're in your DAW, I happen to be in Pro Tools today, but whatever DAW you're using, if you're working with grooves or MIDI blocks in EZDrummer 3, right now I have one in the song track, and you want to drag this MIDI block out of EZDrummer 3 and into Pro Tools or your DAW, you might get an error message that looks just like this. I'll drag it, and before I even get it off the plugin window, it says, unable to drag, temporary file cannot be created. Make sure you have right permissions in this folder on your computer. Now, you could navigate to this folder on your computer. It's actually a hidden folder, so you have to reveal folder in your folder options. But that's not what this video is about. I actually have administrative right permissions to this folder on my system, and it still doesn't work. So this video is not about folder permissions, but it's a way to work around them. So what I want to do is, I'll close Pro Tools right now. What I want to do is navigate to the Pro Tools program on my computer. So I'll go into my C drive. I'll go to Program Files. If you're using an older computer, older DAWs, you might want to look in the Program Files ×86 folder. I'm in the regular Program Files folder, and Avid makes Pro Tools, so I'll go into the manufacturer folder. Here's where you go to whatever DAW you're using. I'll go into the Pro Tools folder, and alphabetically I'll go find Pro Tools. Here it is. Here's the actual Pro Tools program on my computer. As we can see, it says .exe. Some of us might be able to see that. Some of us might not, but it says application under type here. So I'll right click here. On Windows 10, you probably just go to properties. On Windows 11, you go to show more options. And then you go to this properties selection. And under compatibility, you want to run this program as administrator. I'm going to select OK. And now I'll relaunch Pro Tools. So now when we launch Pro Tools, we'll see a message come up right away and a little audio chime that basically asks, do you now want to run this program as an administrator and get those extra operating system privileges? So I'll select yes. And then I'll go and open the same exact session we were just working in. Now we have that same exact MIDI block, this groove right here. And if I click on it and I drag outside of the plugin, it's not preventing me with the error message anymore. And depending on how big your session is, you can drag this anywhere you want in your session. I'm just going to put it on the one instrument track I have up and running. And there's that MIDI. And I can now open it up in Pro Tools Piano Roll and edit it for whatever reason I want, not inside EZDrummer 3. Now, this works for most users in just about every DAW. I've seen very few hangups. So this solution should work. If for some reason it doesn't work, I would make a small list of all the things you tried so far and go to the Toontrack forum or come down to one of my support forums, post that list of everything you tried, and hopefully a PC savvy user will come across it and help guide you in even more. But this has been a high success rate just running your programs as administrator. So hope you got something out of this video. I'm Sean from Shootie School. Check out ShootieSchool.com for hundreds of free videos and full courses.